Let's bring this 1974 German car audio icon back to life and add Bluetooth capability. It sounds absolutely incredible. It's just amazing. So glad I repaired this radio and upgraded to Bluetooth. Join me as we give this 1974 vintage car radio a second chance to sing again. Watch the complete transformation as we fixed audio issues, giving it a full service, and add Bluetooth capability to bring this mid-century icon into the modern era. All right. That's awesome. Feel free to visit my YouTube channel to watch the full restoration video. Thanks for watching.